Hey everybody, just so happens I bumped into my good buddy Dave Daniels. He's a Coachmen RV rep for the Leprechaun, and he's going to be showing us around the brand new 2026 319 MB. Yes. Dave, thanks so much for joining me today.
Of course, nice to see you, Bernie. So just give you a quick little run around on our brand new 2026 model year with the full content change. So this is going to be our flagship Class C. It's got all the options we offer on it. This one comes in the ocean full body paint option. Otherwise standard would be graphics. It's got the optional outside TV built on it. We're doing auto gen start now standard for 2026.
Fantastic.
And a half model year change. This one's got our optional outdoor kitchen, which we revamped last year to make it so that it doesn't have a leg. It gives you a little pull-out table there with hot and cold water sink and an outdoor mini fridge on it as well with this outdoor kitchen option.
I saw the bottle opener. That's pretty cool.
Bottle opener.
And propane connection
nice
over here.
Touch, quick connect for propane, or you can do an electric cooktop if you wanted. You got an outlet there as well.
Alrighty.
Coming back here to the rear cap. Something new for this year, and you can't really see unless you step on the brake lights, but this is a light up LED now, so you have backup lights and all the time lights from here down that are white, from here up is red, and those will be activated with your turn signals and brake lights.
Take a look at these lights. I don't know if you can see it because it's so bright out here, but that white LED strip is blinking red. Absolutely brilliant.
You get a standard molded fiberglass front cap.
I love it.
In 2025, we went to these nice LED eyebrows that are like an integrated light versus the standard LEDs with the individual LEDs. This is kind of like a tube light inside of here. With the full body paint, you do get the diamond shield paint protection up front.
That's new, right?
It's something we've done with our paint protection. So it's nothing that we don't do without paint. So you do have paint protection there. You get paint protection on your wing walls. You get paint protection here at the door. You get paint protection here at the entry door. And then the final spot where we do the paint protection is going to be underneath the grab handle here. So
you got to protect against the wedding ring, right?
That's it, yes.
Yeah.
So before we take a peek at the new interior look, I want to show you a couple things that we have going on at the entry door. So like I mentioned outside, AGS is now standard auto gen start, so that you'll see the auto gen start trigger right there. It's downloaded on an app, and you can set your time, temp, and volts. We have a new solar controller, so you have a 200-watt panel on here that is an option. And whenever you get the optional solar panel, you get dual AGM batteries underneath the step here.
Ooh.
So this has got the upgraded batteries. We've added an emergency start switch to the dash here, so that'll bridge the batteries from the chassis to the house. So that way, if you have a dead battery one way or the other, we have the emergency start switch right there handy for you. This is the same cabinetry we had in 2025. We did update the slide fascia to go to a little bit more of a charcoal look versus a brown. You've also matched the table to that, as well as your pocket doors and bathroom doors are all going to be that new kind of charcoal wood look.
Beautiful.
Look up front at our swivel seats as the optional swivel seats.
Look at that.
Part of the Escalade package, you get these leatherette seat covers, which now are featuring Pete, the Coachman mascot, on there. We went to dual screens a couple years ago, so you got the cameras up here, side view backup. Down on this one, you're going to have your Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, all the nice things there. A couple other things is to go along with the pet feature. We're now giving you a couple little dog bowls there, dog or cat bowls realistically, and the drawer is still usable. So if you don't have pets, obviously you can still use it for whatever, but you know, I've already got a couple comments. If you got big dogs, then those are snack bowls, right?
Exactly.
So big dinette, still the same. Ability to make it into a convertible bed. Nice dinette there. Another new feature for 2026 is this LED light strip. It runs all the way across. You can actually dim that light, so if you don't need it, you know, as bright, if you just want some ambient lighting for watching TV at night, you've got that there. It does have the optional theater seats in here that are power, heat, and massage. So those are always nice. You're seeing a lot of our stuff equipped with those options now.
Nice roof material you got going on here.
Alpha Ply, lifetime warranty, commercial grade, maintenance free. A couple other things that we've changed as you go back. We got a new backsplash color.
I love it.
The countertop is a solid surface countertop. This is an option, so it's got the optional solid surface countertops, which then you get covers.
Beautiful.
Convection microwave as part of the Escalade package. One of the big features for 2026 is we've gone to these new AC system from Gree. So they're Gree ACs. You get dual 15s with dual heat pumps when you do the optional rear AC. Nice thing about the Gree ACs is they're whisper quiet. They don't pull nearly as many amps as the old AC system we used to use. So that's why we can do dual 15s on 30 amp service coach.
Fantastic.
So we have both 15s running right now, and they each have a heat pump.
Gonna love that new technology.
And the other cool thing is that the Gree ACs have remotes, so you can be sitting down and you can change your AC. You don't always have to get up to a thermostat.
Fantastic.
Which is kind of neat. This is new. We added the mirror here, you know, kind of right in front of
Can
the
always see Uncle Bernie in there.
There
Yeah.
you go. Yep. So, you know, helps open up the coach, makes it look a little wider. A couple other things that we've done is back here. New shower surround with a nice new shower caddy where you can put all your soaps and you know, shampoos, things like that. We have a new sliding shower door where basically it's a slow close shower door. So if you remember last year, the ones, if you let go of it,
snap.
It would just snap, slam shut. So that's an upgrade there that we've done. We're still running with shower misers. We added this a couple years ago where you can save on water usage when you're dry camping, so that way it'll recirculate the water.
Love it.
And then here in the bathroom, this is another cool thing, is go look at that vanity mirror.
Oh, wow.
So, tap the button.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Light up vanity mirror.
Yeah, there's a little plastic, you know, coating on here right now just to protect it during travel.
Yep.
But yeah, it's wonderful. What a great idea.
There you go. There's Uncle.
Oh, there you go. And after getting up at 3 in the morning, still looking okay. All right, let's sneak into the bedroom.
Yep. And a couple final things back here.
Yep.
We went to a nice a new mattress, so it's a different mattress.
It's like a quilted sort of feel to it.
It's
Yeah.
definitely a lot more comfortable than what we used to put in. Again, this has the optional dual, the rear AC, which is again a 15 with a heat pump, which we weren't doing last year.
It's so nice in here, and it's quiet
It's
too.
quiet, you know.
Yeah.
People didn't like the bedroom ACs because they were very loud. This thing's on turbo mode, and it's whisper quiet.
It's absolutely beautiful.
So another thing that we changed is our wardrobe rods. So instead of having the actual, you know, round rod in there, we've gone to these individual hanger spaces.
So when you're making those corners on 2 wheels, your clothes aren't gonna be flying back and forth.
Flying everywhere.
Yeah.
And obviously with the 319, you get the nice little pop-out slide here with the
Excellent.
extra wardrobe space, and always got to show off the shoe rack.
Oh,
back here.
ooh, yeah, you gotta.
Extra covers.
TV over
And this
here.
one, it is an option for the bedroom TV. You don't see a lot of those come with the optional TV, but we fully optioned this coach here.
If you found this video informative, drop a comment as to what you like best about the new Leprechaun. Subscribe to Campers in RV for more videos just like this. You're doing a fine job yourself, sir.
Thank you, Bernie.
Have a great day.
Yep.
Right.